Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm the exact Hikvision face terminal model and compatible firmware. This prevents feature mismatches. Next, power the device with PoE or a 12V adapter and connect it to your LAN so you can reach its web UI. Create a secure admin account now. You'll need it for enrollment and configuration. Once done, reserve an IP or enable DHCP with a fixed lease. This keeps the terminal stable on your network during setup. You'll continue by logging into the device web UI or IVMS 4200. Update firmware first so face algorithms are current. Then configure networking. Set static IP or DHCP lease, NTP for time sync, DNS, and open the management ports. This ensures reliable timestamps and logging. For face enrollment, adjust capture quality and liveness detection so false accepts are minimized. Make groups and access rules now. These map faces to permissions, so set them clearly before testing. To finish, you'll run realistic acceptance tests. Have multiple users pass the terminal under varied lighting and angles so you can tune thresholds. Verify event logs and export a backup config and enrollment file to micro SD or USB. That saves time if you must restore. If problems appear, focus troubleshooting. Confirm device time via NTP, check for firmware mismatches, ensure network ports aren't blocked, and inspect the lens for smudges. One tip: restart device after major.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.